on the other side. Oh yeah. That grass ain't greener on the other side. Oh yeah.
Alright, so the next task at hand is this. We're gonna trim these, trim these, trim this. This thing is huge. And we're gonna pull the grass. And this one. Alright guys, this is the end. Let's find a look. You did the, you did it all by yourself.
Except for the parts y'all don't like.
Okay. There you go. Good. Alright, so we're doing pine straw, but we're not going to film the whole installation. If you want to check out how we do pine straw installation, just go to the link above. But we're going to put down long needle pine straw all around the perimeter of this property. And this is the way we carry our pine straw. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you guys, the way we're going to do it is I'm going to walk the bales and put them out, and then the guys are going to just go ahead and spread it. Alright, let's get hot. Alright, this is what it looks like.